Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today we are going to be looking at a Klein Tools 8-in-1 interchangeable insulated screwdriver set. Now these are VDE set, they're good for 1,000 volts. This is part number 32288. And the reason that I picked this set up was because I oftentimes have to work on both brand new and old control panels for the equipment that I install, and all that is 480 volt. Sometimes it's as simple stuff, you know, it's mostly just troubleshooting work, locating bad contactors and stuff like that, or bad contact, just little things. So I don't have to do this as my living, but I definitely have to go back in and troubleshoot a lot of electrical stuff on occasion. And one of my best friends is actually an electrician who comes behind us and wires in all of our new equipment. And he recommended these to me. Now, he said there's probably better out there, but he likes to give his business to Klein too, because first of all, we're both from Texas, and Klein is located not just in the United States, but in Texas. So anytime we can, we like to give our money to Klein because they do make good tools. That being said, not everything that Klein makes I'll buy, because sometimes there's just better pliers and stuff out there. But when I can, I like to give my money and keep it here in the US and specifically in Texas. So we're going to be looking at this Klein 8-in-1 interchangeable insulated set, see what it's all about. And we're going to pull out our trusty Wingman package opener and give it a shot, get this baby opened up. I love the Wingman package opener. Even that double-sided there, it's just ripping right through it. We'll get this cut around here. That should be enough. Get our screwdriver sets out and our handle, and then it also comes with a little carrying case. All right. They even cover up their little logo so it doesn't get dirty in transit. You see that? That's nice. Okay, so this is going to house the screwdriver set when we're done. And what it comes with is you have a double-sided number 2 quarter-inch Phillips, and then you have a number 1 with a 3/16 flat. What did I say? It's number 2 Phillips, quarter-inch flat, number 1 Phillips, 3/16 flat. Then you have double-sided number 1, number 2 Robinson, and then they give you extra long number 2 Phillips and quarter-inch driver. So those are nice. So we'll just try the number 2 first. Now that clicks in, and to release it, I believe you got it has a little spring load there, so that's actually pretty nice, so that when you're working on stuff, you don't have to worry about the screwdriver tip pulling out on you. So that's actually a pretty nice set. I like how that just automatically clicks in. You don't have to lock it in place manually. I didn't realize it was like that. Now the grip on here is very nice. There's other screwdriver sets out there that I'm sure that are they're probably more ergonomic and whatnot, but this one I like the feel of that rubberized grip. And again, anytime I can, I like to give my money to Klein. So let's put this together and see how it all fits in here. They have little flaps that cover up the tips of the screwdrivers too. That's kind of cool. We'll get all 8 of these set in here and just see how this little pouch actually holds everything together. It's a little tight fit getting them in there, but they're very secure. I'll give them that. Let's spread those out. Let's put one on one side. Oh, I guess it's only 2. I thought that third one here, it looked like there was another opening, but it is not. And then your handle will slip right in there, and then when you fold it all up, makes a pretty nice little safety kit there. So I really like that set. I like the fact that it has its own little case too, because this is not something that I want people grabbing all the time. This is going to stay in the, don't touch it unless you want to get shot box. So this is the Klein 8-in-1 interchangeable insulated screwdriver, part number 32288. I think it's going to work out really well for me for what I do. I like it's in that case. I love the fact that when you put the screwdrivers in, they're automatically locking, and they just don't unlock unless you manually unlock them. So I think this kit is going to work out well. Anyway, this look at the Klein 8-in-1 interchangeable. I'll leave some links below for those that are interested in this particular tool. This has been the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.